Hello again, it's Priscilla, I'm back. I said I was done and I lied. I was enjoying this color over here very much. And I think I'm just going to keep doing it again and again until I feel like not doing it. So, that feels like and looks like a nice thing for me. I like that very much. Just run my skewer through it. Just enough to make a difference. I think I'm going to try and do what I did with the black with the pink. See if I can make some spirals out of it. I didn't torch too long because I didn't want to heat up the paint. I love the pink at that end. It makes me want to put it on the other end, but I'm not sure that that's what I want to do yet. I'm giving myself the pleasure of taking a little more time than usual because I'm enjoying adding the paint color that I want to see here. I don't usually give myself that opportunity, and I'm ready to. And this is that. And because I started with a shortfall on the swipe without a lot of excess paint, it means that I actually have the availability to add more paint now without becoming completely overburdened by it, which was part of my plan. I love running the skewer through and making wavy patterns. It makes me happy. I kind of want to look at that straight on for a minute and see what I need. And it's not much. I'm really tempted by the black. It definitely needed that pink right there. And probably just a little bit more here and there. And I'm going to call it good. I say that now, but we'll see. Can't fault me for liking what I see. That is for sure. I think I'm going to go ahead and brazenly add a few dots of orange. And it's coming out very judiciously, so that's awesome. Now I can either leave those alone, you know I'm not going to do that, or I can add more. The only thing I really liked the most so far was the black. The orange does not make spirals the same as the black, for sure. Sort of dissipates, but with orange a little goes a long way anyway, so that's really okay with me that there's just a few spots in there. I'm liking that. What I want, what I think I want is to come down to this end and use that blue, even though I just tried it with the black. This is that Prussian blue I was talking about, and I really like it. And I still had the option to go back in and do a wavy swipe, but I don't think that's going to happen this time. But the colors are fairly stellar. I think a few dots up there. And it's going to town all by itself. So maybe this will be a little longer than I thought. I never found my glasses either, so before my next video I'm going to go find my medical tubing, aka straw, and my glasses, and I bet they're hanging out together. I love those flame shapes when they come about, and adding that drama down there just makes me happy. Seldom do I ever take very much time to play with my swipe, And someone just asked me to do a dip and then play with it afterwards. And dips are pretty. I don't think there's much, much on purpose about them. It doesn't mean that they're not valid, because a lot of them are gorgeous. But this is the first step in the direction that I'm taking toward maybe giving myself permission to do that for the person that asked me to do it, which I'm definitely thinking about. Let's just pull those out first. Push them down some. Make sure that's what I want to do. I could put a little gold up there easily, but I'm really liking what I'm seeing. I'm not sure. I have an awful lot of color on the edge over here that it doesn't belong, but it makes me wonder if I would like some other color. And since I can do that because I can, I think I'm going to have exactly what I want for once. Oh, who am I kidding? It's an all the time thing, at least when it comes to painting. I might regret not having my glasses, but I hope not. This purple is bright on the canvas, but it becomes much, much darker when it dries. So it won't be nearly as vibrant, which is too bad, because I'd really like to hold on to that aspect. I have yet to figure out how that's going to work. It is a multi-surface neon purple by Floetrol. We're getting a little selling action. I'm not minding that down there. I got bugs flying around me. I suppose there is a possibility I could go too far. But generally speaking, I'm very happy, so I don't think that's the case this time. I am pleased. The only thing, no bugs in my painting, please, thank you. The only thing I really want to do is put black in there, and I'm not sure that that's a super good idea. I do see, hopefully you do too. Oh, wrong bottle. I'd like some of this over here, just to carry the eye from side to side on the bottom. Same color, I hope. Let it go, dip my skewer in, and let it go over. That skewer needs to be replaced. Wicked. Just gonna use my fingers, because I like my fingers. They're my favorite tools. I'm lacking a little bit there, and I don't know if it needs to be as cohesive as I feel it must, but I think I'm going to be happier with a little more of that blue and an even layer across the bottom. Before I do my very last torching. Yep, glasses, a good idea. Not necessarily one I thought about. Alright. We could still tip this one more time and let the paint shift, but I don't think it needs it. That's any bubbles. I didn't set my timer again, but I suspect it won't be very long anyway, so. I'm guessing that I'm good with that. I say that, and then I want to do stuff. But what I don't want to do is ruin it. Now that's perfect. That just agitated the paint enough to bring up some cells and make some marks. Even though you probably can't see through my head and people are shouting at me. I'm not minding that either. looking for what I want and finding it. Can't really beat that. Just when you thought you were done, I am sorry about my head. I will find my tubing for the next video, I promise. I'm just so unwilling to settle for ordinary, and I know it wasn't ordinary, but I want spectacular. I gotta call it done soon though. I gotta quit. She said with no fiber of her being. Okay. Really? Am I done? It's so hard to tell. I love my skewers. Yeah, I think that's going to be pretty. I really like that blue. It just makes me want to go ahead and add more. And so more is what I'm going to do. Hopefully some of it will stay, because so far the black disappeared and the blue didn't really stay either. Not really. It seems to want to go away right underneath. Let's see if I can swirl that out. Okay. I really mean it this time. Okay. Yeah, right. So that probably took way longer than I expected to give it. And it's probably way different than I thought it was going to be. But you're still here, and I'm still here, and I'm going to call this one good for now. And you have seen what I did in the end of that. I just want to put some black in there. We're black in there. We're black in there. Ah, I think I'm done. Okay. Priscilla out. If you can help my studio stay functional, you can contribute at either Patreon or PayPal. And be sure to buy you stuff at Amazon.com. Excuse me, Amazon link on the top of my description on my videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.